Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm the Public Services Specialist at the Federal Way Library Makerspace, and we are in the Federal Way Library Makerspace right now. Makerspace in Federal Way is a wonderful space where people can come together to find new interests, make art, learn new skills, get access to emerging technology, and create community. Some of the equipment that we have, we can make t-shirts, we can do 3D printing, we can do laser cutting and engraving, sewing and serging. We also have professionally set up sound booths with recording equipment and editing software. We have 3 types of ways to engage with our space. The first is basics classes. So we offer basics classes for all of our equipment. These are demonstration classes. And then you can also come in during our open lab hours, which will provide you an opportunity to get instructional help on any of the equipment that you see in the makerspace. Third way that you can come in and use our equipment is during independent study hours. Independent study is a time when you can come in and work on your own without staffed help, but still have access to the equipment. The Makerspace is a great place for all ages. Some of our programs are targeted towards different age groups, but our open labs and all of those classes are open to all ages. We just ask that if you're 13 and under, you are accompanied by a participating adult, but it is a great space for all ages to explore emerging technology and what we have to offer. Please come join us here in the Makerspace. Bring your curiosity and your imagination, and we'll make something cool.